You don't mind me asking questions about the film, do you?
Not at all.
No, I mean, I'm just curious about the kind of shape and link to it or whatever.
Yeah. You know, I'll tell you when we get in. Is that alright?
Yeah, I'm just, I have, you see, I have an old shack down there that I paint, and I'll go back this way well, we can go back this way. It's kind of, just watch your step there, there's an old pipe there going across. And this is kind of, everything here is half finished, or half started, I don't know which. But there's it's one of those building projects, nothing is ever finished. But that's all right. I have a shack here that I paint in a lot of time. Just painting, you know.
Right.
See my and it's a bit of a chaos, but chaos is my second name.